Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Well, let's fix Google Chrome not opening in Windows 10, 8 or 7 computer. I'll tell you one of the most easiest and powerful ways to fix it. And I will also help you to save and recover the favorites or the bookmarks you have. So let's get started. So the very first thing you need to check is the time of your machine. Check the date and time, and if it's not correct, please correct it by doing a right click and then click on adjust date and time, and here select the right time zone. You can do that. Once it is done, restart the machine and see if the Google Chrome is opening or not. Okay, if it doesn't, not a problem, we will go to the next step. And the next step is to do a right click and then go to properties, and then we need to click on open file location. And the moment you will click on open file location, Chrome application will be highlighted. So you just have to either just do a single click and this Chrome extension, Chrome name will be highlighted, and you need to click on that again. That's left single click, and we just need to rename it by 1. Once you do that, just hit enter and the name will be changed, and you just have to click on continue. So in this manner, we have changed the Google Chrome extension, the application, and then try to double click and see if that is working on or not. If it's working, you can simply pin to start, or you can simply create a shortcut by send to and does not create a shortcut. If it doesn't work, just close this, and here in the search menu type command prompt and then run as an administrator. And here we need to type netsh space reset winsock. Once you hit enter, you need to type netsh winsock reset. And hit enter. Once you enter, just restart the machine and see if it's working or not. If it doesn't, you just have to close this and press Window and R, and then click on appwiz. Just type appwiz.cpl. The moment you will type appwiz.cpl, it will open, add or remove programs. You can also open by just typing in the search bar add or remove, and you will find this option settings. Here, look for the Google Chrome and just do a right click and click on uninstall. Once it is uninstalled, open any other browser like Edge or Opera or whatever you have. Once you open, type google.com /Chrome. google.com /Chrome, hit enter. And then just click on download Chrome. So once you download Chrome, you're not wiping out everything. The moment you uninstall it, it will not remove the favorites and bookmarks. The moment you will install it again, all of your bookmarks and favorites will be there. Okay, and if it doesn't work, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you. And please just do a like and a subscribe.